How to block someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Snapchat. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, I will show you how to block a friend on Snapchat. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now once you are here, simply locate the person that you want to block. And once you have located that person, simply press and hold on the username to bring up the menu. And once the menu pops up, here you can see the option label as Manage Friendship. So simply tap on that. And after that, simply tap on the option label as Block. And the confirmation message will pop up. From that, simply tap on Block again. And this will remove them as a friend and prevent them from finding you, messaging you, or even viewing your stories. And now, if you want to block someone who isn't your friend, to do that, simply go to the main Snapchat screen by tapping on the camera icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And once you are on the main screen, simply tap on Add Friends icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. From here, you can simply select the random person which you want to block, or you can even use the search bar to find them. To do that, simply tap on the search bar at the top and type their name. And in the search result, simply select the username. And once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, you can see the option labeled as Block. So simply tap on that. And after tapping, a confirmation message will pop up. From that, simply tap on Block again. And after that, they will be blocked from contacting you. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.